Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech BBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I'm going to take you through how to reset the admin password for the Canon IR 2425i to factory default password. So there's a series of buttons you need to press to get this done. First off, you need to press the settings button there, and then placing your two fingers on the 2 and 8, press them at the same time, and then again you need to press the settings button again. That will take you to the service mode. From there you want to tap the mode list and then tap the copier option. Over here you're going to tap the function button. The next one you need to tap is to tap on the clear option there, and then from there on the left side you want to tap the PWD-CLR, which stands for password clear. When you tap that, tap the OK button to save your settings. From here you are going to need to power cycle the device, and the password should be reset to the factory default password. And then the factory default password is 7654321, so 7 to 1. So you can see the machine is now powering on. When it's up, you want to tap the login, tap in the password box and enter the default password. As I mentioned before, 7 to 1, so 7654321. Press the OK button, press the login or tap the login, and you would get a message saying that the default password is set to, or is set as the current password. For improved security, change the password to a new one. So if you want to change the password, you tap the yes option. If you want to keep the default password, you tap the no option. So when you tap the yes, you get this box, the password box. Tap the box and then enter the new password you want to put on your device for management. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share the video for more videos. Bye for now.